everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Today I thought I would work in this sketch pad that I got from Five Below a while ago. I've been doing some, when did I say it started? May 14th. So I think I just skipped over one. Well, maybe not. These are what I've done so far. It's hard to tell when I'm skipping pages or not. So anyway, I have decided to put this down as my background for today. And I am just going to put some images on here that I like. And that kind of go. Not sure about that one. But I do want to put this one on because that's something that I wouldn't mind having. I kind of like this fish. I've always wanted a spot for this birdhouse too. I've got this little squirrel here as a pillow. These are all just some images that I've had laying around and want to figure out something to do with them. So I'm just gluing stuff down. It doesn't matter to me if it doesn't match. I got this big thing. I think that's too big though. I like this for some reason. But I'm not sure I'm going to put it on here. I've got this. We can put that on here somewhere. What about her? She can probably fit somewhere too. Just some images that I like in a different kind of style than what I'm used to doing. I don't think I'm going to use that one. That's kind of pretty. I've got a shell. I think it's too big for this. Somebody washing their hands. Alright, crayons. Alright, let's start gluing these down and then see what else. I don't think too much else is going to fit in here though. Alright, how are you doing? A couple videos back I was talking about our furnace breaking down. It's actually, I'm filming this the same day I filmed that one, but he was not able to fix it today. He had to get some more parts. So I'm hopeful it will be fixed when he comes back. Okay. Have you all tested your furnaces yet to make sure they're going to turn on? I do hope so. I hope they turn on. Oh, I hear my oven beeping. It's time for me to set my timer. Hand washing. We'll put her right there. So this is a style that I've seen other people do on YouTube. They have a background, and it's not necessarily craft paper background, but a background of some kind, and then they just put images that they like on it. With, you know, it doesn't have to have any rhyme or reason for it. And when I figure out who it was that I'm talking about, I will put her name up and her channel up. Wow, that went down smoothly. Let's get the fish. Oh. What do you glue your images on before you get them into your your book? What do you put the glue on them on? That's what I'm saying, I guess. Scrap paper, an old magazine, an old book. I don't know. I'm not liking using scrap papers anymore. Okay, let's put that one down. But I don't have a lot of old books or old catalogs either, so I'm not sure that's the way to go either. There we go. I really like that image, and I really like this. I wish I could get this little pillow because it's so cute. And it's right up my alley. I decided to make roasted veggies for dinner, so that's what that oven timer was telling me. My oven is heated up enough. And I want to get my dog out for a little while. It's sunny and really pretty out, but it's not like warm enough for me to want to sit out on my deck or porch and read. You know what I mean? Alright, so I think we could use a few little things like here. What if I... I'm not sure this is what I want to put on there. Oh, I don't know. I was going to say I will use some from here, but I didn't do my flip through of this book yet, so I can't use that yet. Let's see. Maybe something here. How about... It's too big. Here's a little mushroom. Why don't I put that there? I'll put that right there. It's kind of the same color as the background, though. I don't think I have room for these guys either. I could put that there. I don't know. I don't really like it there, though. How about the little acorns? I just have to cut out this part in between. And maybe some words. I feel like I should do this part too, but it's probably gonna backfire on me because the stem is really tiny. Thin. That's a very thin stem. Sometimes it's hard to get at the right angle too. Might have been better to use a craft knife. Oh boy. Did not get over as far as I had hoped. I think that's going to have to be good enough, so we'll put that there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Not bad. All right. Some words. Let's try to use these autumn-ish colors. Hold tight and pretend it's a plan. I don't even know where I'm going to fit that one. Maybe right here, actually. Right on top of her. Nope, too far over. There we go. Hold tight and pretend it's a plan. Be open to whatever comes next. Where could I put this? Like maybe right here? Okay. We need some little ones. Creativity takes courage. That's true. I'm realizing I don't really have that much space to put words. Okay. Keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. Do your best. That's small. That can fit somewhere, like right here. Do your best. Remember the now. I really am running out of space. Okay, maybe one more down here, maybe. Start each day with a grateful heart. Okay, so we got that. Give out what you most want to come back. That would have been a good one too. Little tiny ones are used up in that color. Alright, well I think that is good enough. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if so, give me a thumbs up and give me a like. And actually those are the same things. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.